Hello my friends, I have another abstract intro for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This template you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, as usual you go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. Drag and drop abstract intro number 3, connect to the media out, press number 2 on the keyboard, and you will get the background. As you can see, here is animated. And now when I ungroup, I will show you what's going on here. Starting from the bottom, you have a background, gradient. Here you have a text. This background here, as you can see, this one is for the line. It's animated here. Next one is text. This is for bottom text. This is for the top text. And then here you have only one segment that I made with the ellipse in background, and another ellipse here for, as you can see here, is dissolving the background, and I used the duplicate, and in duplicate animated a little bit, added shadow, another shadow, and basically that's it. When you go all the way on the media out, you will get the background and all animation. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.